Alright guys, I'm back. I know videos have been a bit slow, but okay, so today we are going to be working on the Ford Ecosport and we will be replacing the bulb, specifically the the light and brake bulb inside here. So let's get to it. Okay, first thing we need to do is remove these two, but if your bulb is on the other side, then there is no need for that. But if it's on this side, you have two of this, which uses a TorqueX tool, so it's a T25. Okay, so once you have those two removed, what you need to do is come over to this side, open this flap. If it's hard, make sure you just press on this and just open it. Okay, open this and you will see the plastic over here. Remove that by turning it anti-clockwise. Oh, and I dropped it. Okay, so once you have gotten this removed, what you need to do is you need to push this towards this side. Alright, you will have a connector over here, so just press it down and just pull it out. Okay, now that we have gotten it out, the bulbs are all on the inside of this plastic thingy, so it's actually held on by 3 TorqueX screws, 1, 2, and over here these are using T10s. So okay, 3 screws. And what we'll do now is we will remove this by just pulling at it. If it's the first time, it might be a bit harder, but it will eventually come out. Okay, so let's have a look at the bulb. You can see that it's very dirty, frosted, and yeah, it's burnt. Okay, if you can look at it closely, the filament on the bottom has burnt and it's disconnected. So that's why when pressing the brake, it doesn't work. So yeah, let's take this out. So press it down, twist it, take it out. Okay, again, put it in, twist it, push it down, twist it, come out. Okay, there's 2 notches here, align it with these 2. Okay, so this is not sure if you can see it. Okay, it's an E4 bulb. Okay, so it has two filaments inside, one for the brake, one for the light. Okay, so this is a new replacement. This is the O. You can actually see very clearly the difference in color. Alright, this one is burnt. Okay, you can see that it's a bit darker on the glass. Not sure if it captures on the camera, but this is clear. And like I said, the way you put it in is align these 2 notches to here and here. So just align it, push it in, twist it. Okay, done. Secure. Okay, now give it a wipe. Normally people say don't touch the bulb, but you know what, these are not xenons or very high temperature ones, so it's okay. Okay, then we will plug it back in. Okay, and then we'll screw it back up and we'll install it. And we're done, so let's give it a test. Okay, so simple DIY, it's done. Everything's good. Make sure you always check your bulb at least once a week so that you don't get pulled over by the cops. Alright, make sure your lights at the back as well as your third brake lights all works. Okay, till next time, I hope you learned something and I will see you again.